ようこそ私のソウルソサエティへようこそ私のソウルソサ
Hello everyone, welcome to AICodeX. In this video, I'm going to create a simple coffee app using Python. This project is perfect for beginners who want to learn Python by building small and practical applications. We start by creating a simple Python file and printing a welcome message for the user. This message lets the user know that they are using the coffee app and helps make the program user-friendly. Next, we display the available coffee options, such as espresso, latte, and cappuccino. Showing clear options makes it easier for the user to choose their favorite coffee. After that, we ask the user to enter their coffee choice. Using Python's input function, the program reads what the user types and stores it in a variable. This step makes the application interactive. Now we apply decision-making using if, elif, and else conditions. The program checks the user's input and matches it with the available coffee options. If the user selects espresso, the app confirms the espresso order. If the user selects latte or cappuccino, the app responds with the correct confirmation message. And if the user enters an invalid option, the program displays an error message. Once the logic is complete, we run the program. As you can see, the coffee app works correctly and responds instantly based on the user's input. This simple project helps you understand important Python concepts like variables, user input, and conditional statements. You can improve this app later by adding prices, loops, multiple orders, or even converting it into a graphical or web application. Learning Python becomes much easier when you practice by building projects like this. Instead of only watching tutorials, try coding along and experimenting with your own ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to AICodeX for more Python projects, coding tutorials, and beginner-friendly content. Thanks for watching and happy coding.